Hi, this is Alan. Okay, perfect. So once you subscribe, once you go to tradingwithalan.com, you will see the videos. So these are the videos that I'm telling you. Now, this is one of my business partners. I have a few business partners that he created this page, and this page is about IML. What is IML? iMarkets Live. iMarkets Live is an education program that teach you and educates people how to trade the currency market, how to trade the Forex market, the foreign exchange. And you can also learn how to trade binary, and you can also learn how to trade cryptocurrency. But I focus more on what is Forex trading, which is currency. Now, he explains in these videos how you could capture the $5 trillion a day market, which is Forex exchange, is currency, trading currency. So once you go to tradingwithalan.com, you're going to be able to watch these videos. These are some basic videos of some of the products that are inside iMarkets Live, which is iMarkets Live is IML. That's how they call it. So this is some of the videos. This is Arnold. He went from $200,000. He went from zero to making $200,000 in his first year, in less than a year. And a lot of people were able to do that. Some people are making 90,000 in his first year, 100,000. Some are making $250,000. Some are making more. Some are making less. So I do recommend you to watch these videos. All of this is inside what is iMarkets Live. Now I am going to take you inside what is iMarkets Live. This is an educational program where you can learn how to trade the currency market, and you're going to be able to work from home. A lot of these individuals are making 6 figures, 7 figures, and a lot of them are very, very, very wealthy, and they only need a laptop so they can work from home. So once you go to tradingwithalan.com, you're going to be able to see these videos. All you need to do is subscribe, put your name and your email, and you're going to be able to watch these videos, right? So let me take you what is inside iMarkets Live. This is what's inside iMarkets Live. Let me give you a tour. Very, very simple. As you can see, this is the name of the company. This is the logo. You could Google it. You could see it all over the place. It's been around for many, many years. They train and they teach people in various languages, in more than 6 different languages. Spanish, English, Portuguese, and a lot more. Now, this is my affiliate link. This is the logo of the company, which is the name of the company. This is my first name, last name, but I call myself Alan Eduardo because Eduardo is my second name, and I like my second name. So what is iMarkets Live? As you can see, we have the IML Academy. Inside the IML Academy, it teaches you everything that you need to learn about trading the currency market. Everything. We have binary coins, which is binary and cryptocurrency. We have the Academy there. We have iMarkets Live TV, and different other products. You don't really need all of this. I like the swipe trade. This is like $10 or $15 a month, and this swipe trade right here is the one that sends you information to your phone. So they text you every time they're going to do a trade. So you get the trade alerts. Say, hey, we're going to trade. This is the currency that we're trading. This is the day and this is the time that we're trading. So every time they're going to trade, they let you know through an app, through your phone. All you need to do is copy and paste and put that in your other app, which is a trading app that you're going to have, and you can start making money with that. Swipe trade is very, very good. Just by using swipe trade alone, you can start making over $2,000 a month. And let me tell you, it's a very, very good apps, and very good education. Only the people who are members of iMarkets Live are able to do this. Now, this is an app that is going to be on your phone, and you're going to get trade alerts from highly successful traders that's going to teach you how to do this in the market. All you need to do is copy and paste. Now let's go here. Let me show you a little bit over here. You see, this is the IML Academy. This is the Academy. They have the getting started, some of the videos. They have basic 1, everything that you need to know about the Forex, and of course the PowerPoints as well. So the history of Forex, the market participants, what is Forex, what is trading Forex, when to trade, buy versus sell. We have basic 2, more videos and more trainings, and what is a pip and what is a trend and all of that. And what is basic 3. I'm Spanish, so my English is my second language. I've been here a few years, but English is my second language just in case. And we have basic 4 as well. As you can see, we have getting started, how you're gonna get started, everything they're gonna talk about inside the IMarket Live, basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, and basic 4. If you watch that, my friend, let me tell you, you are gonna be able to do trades. You're gonna learn, you're gonna have it here in your mind, and you're gonna be able to start making trades. Now this is in Spanish. Básico 1, básico 2, básico 3, básico 4 is the same thing, just in Spanish. That's it. And we have technical analysis. Yes, you do want to learn about technical analysis, but before you get into the technical analysis, you definitely need to watch the getting started, basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, and basic 4. Basic 1 is about an hour, basic 2 is almost the same. So each basic is like an hour or so, an hour and a few more minutes around there. But you're gonna learn a lot. Let's say like in basic 1. And what I'm gonna do, if you are in my email list, if you subscribe to tradingwithallen.com, I'm gonna send you for free this information. Absolutely free, you don't have to pay. So I'm gonna send you the basic 1 absolutely for free. I'm gonna send you the videos of history of Forex. I'm gonna send you market participants, what is Forex, what is it trading Forex, and all of these videos I'm gonna send you for free. And this is gonna be like within a week. So you're gonna get this one first, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then the other one, as you can see right there. This is very good education, my friend. You're gonna love it, and be part of IMarket Live, IML. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna get swipe trades from highly successful traders, and let me show you all the things that is inside the IMarket Live, inside the IML and the Academy, right? So this is basic of the Academy. There's a lot more, my friend. There's a lot more. So here in IML TV is very, very, very good information. Every time the highly successful people that are in the Forex exchange inside this partnership, the people who are making 6 and 7 figures, they do trainings, and they do trainings every single day. Yes, you heard me right, every single day. And not only that, but they have the recordings for every single week that they do the trainings. And you want to be live in the trainings that they give. The trainings are for free. You don't have to buy nothing. Once you are a member of iMarket Live, you're going to be able to get this information. So what is IML TV? Let me show you the trainings here. Let's say live trading schedule here. Let's go over here so you can have an idea. Let me show you really quick. Let me show you. Come on, computer. The recording. We have the recording here of IML TV. We have basic information of the web analyzer, IML TV. Some of the people that are inside iMarket Live TV. And this is only a few. There's a lot more, my friend. There's a lot more. So live training schedule. Let's go to the live training schedule right here. And this is, you see, this is how big is this, my friend. And this is very, very, very helpful, my friend. You can learn this within a few hours. It doesn't take weeks or months or years. It's not like going to college to get a law degree. You can learn this. If you really want to learn this, you can learn it within days, my friend, within days. So we have in English, we have in Spanish, we got in German, we got in Portuguese, we got in French, Polish, Italian, you name it. So let's go to English, right? I speak English, I speak Spanish, but let's go to English. So we have the Forex Basic Education. You can go to this one, and once you finish with this one, you can go to the Forex Advanced. And crypto, we have cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and all the type of coins that are out there, crypto. If you haven't heard about that, don't focus on that yet, because it's a little bit easier if you focus in Forex trading. Cryptocurrency is another different field. It's almost the same, but Forex exchanges focus on Forex. Forex Basic 1 and Forex Advanced. And yes, you could do the web analyzer and the harmonic scanner as well. But let's go to Forex Basic. Let's see the Forex Basic. As you can see, they trade every single day. Remember I told you they trade every day? Look, we have Mike Miles trading every Monday. And he trades every Friday. And he does the education on Mondays and Fridays. And he telling you, look, this is what I'm doing, this is why I'm buying, this is why I'm selling, this is the pairs that I'm using, the euro and the US dollar, and this is when I'm getting in, this is when I'm getting out, and if you have any questions, ask me. So you could go live and, you know, talk to Mike, you know, and you could do the same thing with Duncan, you could do the same thing with Joshua, you could do the same thing with Samantha, and you could listen to them live. Now, if you're not there live, you could also listen to the recordings. Remember. So we have a lot of trainers. You know, these are some of the trainers, 6- and 7-figure trainers that are making a lot of money. Look, Abel is doing Forex Basic 101. And you got Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And he does it, I believe, twice a day. Look, 11 a.m. and 8 a.m. Eastern time, right? On Wednesday, we have 11 a.m. and just in case I'm looking at my screen, because you know you're probably thinking, why am I always looking on the side? I'm looking at my screen because I'm reading. You know, Abel Melendez, these are the days and the times that he uses it: Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays, right? Same as Lee, right? As same as Ryan. So you could go and learn from these people, my friend. You could learn from these people, and this is what are the Forex Basic education. You want to listen to them, right? Now, if you want to listen to the recording, you go over here where it says recording. You have binary option. We got crypto education, but focus a little bit about Forex. If you want to do the cryptocurrency, go ahead, do the cryptocurrency. There's nothing holding you back, only yourself. You know, we have English and Spanish, you know, all the language. We already talked about that. So let's go to English, right? We have Christopher here. These are the days that Christopher is doing the recordings. This is the recordings actually. Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, all the recordings. This is the recordings, right? Yeah, this is the recordings. So these are all the recordings. You can listen to them. Let's say you want to listen to Ryan, right? Hey, let me listen to Ryan. Forex 101. Let's go to Ryan, right? So on July 31st, this is the last recording that Ryan did. And then we have July 27th. You know, you could go and click here and you could watch the videos, obviously. Each video, I believe, is an hour of the recording, an hour and a few more minutes, maybe a little bit less. Each trainer is different, but all the trainers are 6- and 7-figure earners. A lot of them are making over $1 million a year, my friend. And let me tell you, if you want to be very, very successful and work from home, you want to learn from people like that. You want to learn from people who have more experience than you, people who are experts. And you follow that expertise and you become an expert yourself. So we have the days on July 24, you have July 25, July 26, July 27, July 31st. This is only with Ryan. You know, you can listen with Ryan and you can listen to them, you know. So you can listen to Mike, you can listen to all of them, as many as you want. You can listen to them. You can listen to them live or you can listen to the recording. It's up to you. Now, this IML recording, as you can see, and we have the IML live, right? We have in different language, English and Spanish, and you have the IML Academy. You have Coin Academy. You have the web analyzing, the harmonic scanner, the swipe trades. I love the swipe trades because you get trade alerts on your phone. You just copy and paste. It takes like 60 seconds, maybe less if you're faster. You just look at the trade, you say, oh, look, they're trading the euro at this time and this, and I'm gonna copy and paste, and you put it on your app. Well, this is the basic of IML, iMarkets Live. I'm gonna send you all the videos so you can have more ideas. And I hope you like it and become a partner, become one of my partners. Get involved, my friend, get involved. Get inside iMarkets Live, iMarkets IML. It's gonna change your life. Okay, take care, peace and love. Bye-bye.